The story tells us a lesson: who you are, what you look like, what you have not, which community you belong. You can't never ever compare yourself with anyone. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I take a lot of time to create my video. I'm trying to give your time value, so please watch video complete. And I'm sure you don't waste your time while you are watching my video. You will get a beautiful life-changing message inshallah. Let's try. Here I am trying to convince you to believe on yourself. Allah made everyone beautiful and complete. Don't compare yourself with anyone in this world. If you do this, soon you will come to know you are a loser one. Here I am sharing a story of a crow who is not happy with his life. I believe after listening this whole story, you will be able to change your life. Let's talk about Crow. He is not happy with his life. He was unhappy and sad because of his black color. He thought he is ugly. No one liked him, no one wanted to see him, so he was crying a lot. Suddenly a holy man came and see the crow was crying. The holy man asked the crow why he was crying. The crow said, "Why I am not crying? Look at me, my black color. No one likes me. No one even want to see me. No one like me as a pet. Did you see anyone to give me food? I just take my food from garbage. That's why I'm crying. Allah made me crow, a black crow. How I would be happy." The holy man said, "What you want to become? If Allah gave you another chance, He will fulfill your wish." The crow said, "If I get another chance, so I would like to be a pelican, a white pelican. It is a symbol of prosperity and good fortune. People love it, and they think that pelican is a spiritual bird. Mostly people think if pelican crossing by your path, it could be a sign of good fortune and better luck could be on its way." The holy man said, "Okay, I will make you the pelican, but first I wish you met with pelican." Crow said, "Okay," and go start searching him. Soon Crow found pelican. They start talking each other. Crow said, "People are inspired your life. What a color you have. What a beautiful you are. People think that you are a symbol of prosperity. Allah made your life beautiful. You must be happy with your life." Pelican said, "Who told you that I am happy?" Crow said, "Why you not happy? Why you disown yourself?" The pelican said, "Look at me. I don't like my beak. It's too large. Whether I can store food in it, but I am not happy with that." "So you are not happy?" Crow said. "No, I am not," Pelican said. After they came back to the holy man, and the pelican said, "Give me one chance." The holy man said, "What you want to become?" "Made me a parrot," Pelican said. "Look at this beautiful color combination, green and red." Now the crow and the pelican went to the garden to find parrot. After a long search they found a parrot and said, "How beautiful you are. What a beautiful vibrant color feather you have. You can talk with people. They gave you name. How lucky you are. How happy you are in your life." "Who told you that I am happy in my life?" Pelican said. "Are you not happy?" Parrot said, "No, I am not happy." Pelican said, "What things bothering you?" "First, I don't like green color in my feathers, and secondly, I don't like my voice. It sounds like a noise, a bad noise." Now three of them come back to the holy man, said to the holy man, "Give me a chance." The holy man said, "What you want to become if I give you a chance?" The parrot said, "Peacock. What a beautiful bird, glittery feathers when he opened them. He looks like a crown of king." The holy man said, "I will make you all peacock, but first you go and meet with Peacock." Now all three go to find Peacock. Soon they met with him. They said, "Wow, what an amazing life Allah gave you. When you open your feathers, people love to see you. They even wait when you open up your feathers. Allah gave you amazing life. Happy you are." When they stopped saying, then Peacock said, "Listen carefully. There is a sound." Parrot said, "Yes, I can hear. Yes, now I can hear. But what's that sound?" Crow said. Peacock said, "There is a hunter and killed the peacock. Firstly, they extract every feather one by one from his body, sold all over the world. People will buy it and decorate their houses. Now what you said? You want to be a peacock?" Crow said, "What should we become according to you? Suggest any bird who have a perfect life." Peacock said to the crow, "You are the perfect bird in the world." The crow said, "Me? How you can say?" Peacock said, "Have you ever heard the chicken burger?" Crow said, yes. Have you ever heard the chicken nuggets? He said, yes. Then Peacock said, have you ever heard the crow burger or crow nuggets? Have you ever heard someone sold crow feathers? Have you ever seen crow meat sold by market? Said, no. Do you have any danger? You have ever heard someone hurts you and your life is in trouble because of anyone? Crow said, no. Peacock said, who is the happiest one among us? Whose life is danger free? It's you, I'm sure, it's you. The story tells us a lesson who you are, what you look like, what you have not, which community you belong. You can't never ever compare yourself with anyone. You are the best in this world. You are unique. Just believe yourself. Every creature in this world Allah creates have different characteristics. So you should own yourself, who you are. Thanks for watching. Please like and share my video.